Go. Keep going. You're ready. Get out of the way. Come on.
I'm really bad at this.
Yeah, really. That's why it's so funny. That's why it's so funny.
It's pretty sweet. Do the Dougie.
That's what you do, stupid. That's a sprinkler.
I know.
Look, my uncle, he was in a bar and he was like, and I was like, wait, hold on, this is the way to do the Dougie. Do it.
Do the Dougie. It's like you guys are making fun of a little 2-year-old or something.
No, put your hands
You're making the video sideways. And just people online be like, what is that guy? Do the Dougie. Do the Dougie. Is that the Dougie? Kind of? That's nasty. Oh, look at Bruce from the 60s. Whoa.
Boom. Do the Dougie. Do the Dougie. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump.
Everybody do the Dougie. All right, I'm done.
Why?
Let's go. Let's go.